everyone, I'm David, Beauty Director at Sephora, and I'm here with a very special guest, the Sephora Collection National Artist, Helen. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing so well. It's so good to be here with you.
It's so great to have you here. This is Beauty Newbie. This is a series that we have to help everyone basically figure out the basics of beauty, right? There's a lot of stuff out there and we want to help make it as easy as possible, right? Exactly. This episode is all about eye cream for beginners. We're going to tell you how to choose the right one for you. So Helen, let's jump in and talk about what is one of the main concerns when it comes to under eyes or eyes in general that people should be looking at when they choose an eye cream.
So I feel like the number one thing that people always come in for is either like puffiness under the eyes or under eye circles. Those are like two big ones that always they always play into each other too, because if you have a little puffiness, usually you have a little darkness too from the shadow. So I really love the Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This eye cream has vitamin C in it, which is a great ingredient to look for if you are new to beauty. Vitamin C is one of those things that I call, it does a BLT, so it brightens, lightens, and tightens. It's called Banana Bright because it has kind of that banana color inside, which really does help to combat the blue or cancel out the blue underneath your eye, and it has like a slight reflective quality to it too, so it really does help to just brighten underneath your eye, and then it also has the vitamin C, which will help to combat that over time. Just a really great eye cream all around.
Okay, I could not agree with you more, Helen. Vitamin C is the essential ingredient when it comes to eye creams. It's absolutely what you want to look for in any eye cream or eye serum if what you're looking to do is reduce the appearance of darkness and under eye circles and under eye puffiness. This one from Drunk Elephant, which is the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream, is a great option as well. Packed with that vitamin C, which we know, I agree, I love that little acronym you use, the BLT, brightens, lightens, and tightens. It really does so much wonderful stuff for that under eye area for the skin, which is so thin and it can take a lot of damage. So that vitamin C can really go in and reduce all those symptoms. Plus this one has a little bit of an additional additive in there. It's got 8 peptides. You know, these are just really great ingredients in general that help to firm that skin. So overall, really keep your focus on looking for that vitamin C if under eye darkness is your primary concern.
David, I feel like the other question that I get asked all the time is, why should I use an eye cream? Like, how is it any different than a moisturizer? And I do feel like eye creams usually have just a different texture. They're meant to work on your skin that's under your eye, which you mentioned is a little bit thinner than like the skin on your face. And that's true. You really want something that's going to target the issues that you are having around your eye. And it does need moisture, just like a moisturizer on your face, but you don't want to get anything that might be too heavy. It just depends on your skin type and tone. So you definitely want something that is still moisturizing for under your eye, but something that's going to penetrate that thinner skin. So I really love the Algenist Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. This is a great one. The balm texture makes it so it's lightweight, but it does moisturize, and I just really like it. It's almost like a whipped formula, and you can just get a little bit at a time, and I always pick it up with my 4th finger now out of habit because it's something we always teach at Sephora. You want to use your 4th finger because it's the weakest finger, and so you'll apply it really gently underneath your eye, which just feels really nice, and it also makes it so you're not pulling on that sensitive skin.
Okay, I agree with you that fine lines and wrinkles is that other issue that a lot of people are looking to deal with when it comes to the eye area. Like we said, that skin is so thin and so prone to receiving damage from environments, from just movement. We move our face, right? You're bound to get some sort of a fine line or wrinkle. A great ingredient to look for in that is also retinol. Now this is from Peace Out. This is the retinol eye stick. And here's something I want to make sure you get understanding here. Like Helen was saying, like, why not, just use a moisturizer? Why an eye cream? Skincare is developed for this specific area of the face, your eye area, which is very sensitive, and also it surrounds your eyes. Retinol specifically is an ingredient that is very powerful. This will definitely help reduce the signs of fine lines and wrinkles, but you do not want to use a retinol for your face near your eye. You want to make sure that the product is specifically designed for the eye area, like this eye stick balm. It is imperative to make sure that it is safe for you to use around the eye. So this is something I always look for, especially around the eye area, something you can start really young because it's usually the first sign of aging that you can see. So this is something that you can do right in your 20s. It's really easy to use. You can just apply it around the eye. You can tap it with your finger. It's a quick absorbing
I love that
balm.
format.
It's so good, right?
So
Easy
cool.
to use, so cool. Great little packaging. Really easy, really fantastic, really effective. Retinol is a wonderful ingredient. It's great for the skin on your face. Fantastic option for your eye. Just make sure you're getting one specifically for the eye area. And there you have it. There's our episode of Beauty Newbie Eye Cream for Beginners. Remember, if you're looking for under eye darkness, look for something with vitamin C. If you're looking to combat fine lines and wrinkles, make sure it's moisturizing and hydrating, and you can also look for retinol. Two great ways to look for your eye cream. Definitely check it out. Let us know in the comments section below if you love any of these products. If you have any particular products that you use that you love, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get new videos like this from us every single week. And until next time, we'll see you all later. Check out your favorite eye cream, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.